Morning student, today we will discuss the physical division of India या physical features of India. The surface of India has diversity in landform or leaf features. The land features are divided as the northern mountains, northern plains, plateau, coastal plain and the islands. India is endowed with the most diverse physical feature ranging from mountainous Himalaya to low-lying coast plains. Let us have a look on the physical features of India. Physical features of India. Look at here, the northern mountain region, the northern Indian plain, Indian plateau, western Ghats, western coastal plain, eastern coastal plain, island groups, Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar, the Indian Thar Desert. First one is the northern mountain wall or the Great Himalaya that lies in the north of India. The Trans-Himalaya, which are north to the Great Himalayan range, are called Tibetan Himalaya because most of these ranges lies in Tibet, and the Jaskar, the Ladakh and the Kailash, the Karakoram are the main ranges of Trans-Himalayan system, and these ranges lies in the Jammu and Kashmir and Tibetan area. The Great Himalaya or Himadri. This range lying to the south of the Trans-Himalaya is the northernmost of all the Himalayan ranges and is the loftiest and most continuous mountain range of the world. Loftiest means upward mountain range. Himachal or Lesser Himalaya. Himachal or Lesser Himalayas are running almost parallel to the Great Himalayas in the north and the Shivalik in the south, and the ranges are less hostile and more friendly to human contact. And it is famous for hill stations like Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Darjeeling, and the southernmost range is Shivalik. And it is famous for valleys known as dunes, for example, Dehradun, Patli Dune, Kotli Dune. And overlooking the Great Plains, this chain of hills runs almost parallel to the Lesser Himalaya for a distance of about 2,400 km from the Porvar Plateau to the Brahmaputra Valley. Purvanchal or Eastern Hills. The Purvanchal or Eastern Hills are located so because they are located in the eastern part of India and run in the shape of a crescent with its convex side pointing toward the west, and these hills extended from Arunachal Pradesh in the north to the Mizoram in the south. Next one is the Great Northern Plain. The Great Plain of North India are formed due to the depositional work of three major river systems. First one is Indus system, second is Ganga basin, and third is Brahmaputra. The Satluj river is the longest tributary of Indus system, Ganga. The Yamuna river is the longest tributary of Ganga river and the Brahmaputra. And the Brahmaputra river, when it entered in India, it is the most famous river of China, and the name of that river is Sangpo. And in India, it is known as Brahmaputra, and the plains account for 2,400 km of length and width, ranges between 150 to 300 km. The Great Northern Plain of North India are formed due to the depositional work of three rivers, and all these three rivers make the world's largest delta, that is known as Sundarban Delta. And why this delta is known as Sundarban? Because of the Sundri tree that is very popular in this region. Next one is the Peninsula Plateau. What is peninsula? Peninsula means an area which is surrounded by water from its three sides, that is known as peninsula. And the plateau of India is roughly triangular in shape with base coinciding with the southern edge of the Great Plain of North India and its apex formed by the Kanyakumari in the southern extremely. The boundary of plateau are surrounded by hill ranges on all the three sides. The Aravalli and the Vindhya and the Barmar and the Rajmahal hills mark the northern boundary, whereas the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats mark the western and eastern boundary respectively. The islands Lakshadweep Island, located in the Arabian Sea, are basically coral Island, and they are a group of 25 islands scattered about 500 kilometers southwest of Kerala. And the islands Andaman and Nicobar are located in the Bay of Bengal. They are large in size. They are big and small island covering a cumulative area of about 8,249 kilometers. And in Andaman and Nicobar, there are some volcanic origin. Like Barren Island is also known for its volcanic eruption. The islands. These are the two islands, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next one is coastal plain, the narrow coastal strip between the edges of the Peninsula Plateau and the coastline of India running for a distance of about 6,000 kilometers from Rann of Kutch. Rann of Kutch means that is area in Gujarat. In the west to the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta, in the east is called coastal plain, and the two coastal plains meet each other at the southern tip in Kanyakumari. And first one is next one is the Great Indian Desert. It extended from the Satluj River in the north and Aravalli Ranges on the east, and the Great Rann of Kutch on the south, and by the Indus River on the west. It is very dry and rocky or barren land, and it is located in the west of Rajasthan. By now, you must have witnessed the vast diversity of our country exhibits through its physical feature over a vast geographical outlay. The varied physical features have a marked effect on the lives of people and have influenced the evolution of diverse culture in India. Goodbye, student.